Whoa, what up, what's that? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man. Y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now today, you see we had a black box. You got the Nike Air with the Air Force on the top. So I'm more than sure you know it's an Air Force. So what we have is the Air Force One 0705 Velvet. Now, I'm not a fan of Air Force Ones, you know what I'm saying? But I got to bring this content to my peoples, man. You know what I'm saying? Now, looking at the paper, you see you have the stars all on it, like you have on the front of the shoe. Now, these do come with a velvet drawstring bag. I don't know what you'll use these for. Has a rose on it with a Nike swoosh. Nice little touch, you know what I'm saying? A little something extra. You can't complain when you get something for free with your shoes, man. You know what I'm saying? I mean, they put a little bit of thought into it, man. You know what I mean? So enough of that, let's get to the kicks, man. Here it is. The Air Force One Velvet. It's a nice, it's a well put together shoe to me. You know what I'm saying? Now, certain ways you look at it, you might think it's suede on it or whatnot, but that's not the case. The whole upper is velvet. You know what I'm saying? So you take that as you may. It is what it is, you hear me? But that upper is velvet from front to back. So, but anyway, let's go ahead and look at the shoe, man. On the back, you see you got the Nike Air in the dark colors, more like a black velvet. You see you have your rose logo on the side. I think that's a dope little touch. You know what I'm saying? Now looking under the bottom of the shoe, you got the all white outsole, typical Air Force One outsole. There's a better look from the side. There's the top. There's the front. Comes with this lace strap with 2018 on it. There's a better look at that rose. Nice little touch, as I stated before, you know what I mean? So, I mean, look, I think it's a dope little shoe. It's well put together. I'm not an Air Force One guy, you know what I'm saying? So, it is what it is, man. There's a look at the inside. Got the black insole with the Nike Air in white. Pretty straight, man. You know, so here we go, looking at the other shoe. Everything is identical. No difference between the two. Same old setup. You see you have 2018. I mean, it is what it is, man. Either you're a fan of Air Force Ones or you're not. And you see you got the gold tips on the laces. That's always a nice touch. Medial side, there's the back again. Your Nike Air, closer look at it. I mean, hey, like I say, man, I think it's a well put together shoe. You know, you can see they put a little bit of thought into it. You know what I'm saying? Especially for those cats that love the Air Force Ones, you know what I'm saying? So it's a nice little treat for you, man, you know what I mean? So there's a look at the tongue. You have the Nike Air in black, all murdered out. I mean, not much more I can say about it, man. You know what I'm saying? So let me know in the comments what y'all think about it, man. It's the Air Force One Velvet. Now these release on, when is it? Let me see. I think it's November 24th, right? For 130 bucks. You know, that's not too high. You know what I'm saying? So if you're in the market for some, man, or if you're feeling these, man, go ahead and get your chips together, man, and go ahead and cop these, man. That was my look at the Air Force One Velvet. Follow us on Instagram at PetLazar504. Subscribe to this channel, like, share video, and I'ma holler back.